Edo State Governor Mr. Gov Obaseki inspects medical equipment inside a tricycle ambulance at the University of Benin Teaching Hospital, one of 14 delivered to the state government by the Sustainable Development Goal Agency of the federal government.
A donation like this is very, very important because it goes to the heart of the reforms that we're undertaking in the healthcare system of Edo State. And we thank God that we had started this reform. Otherwise, I don't know how we would have been able to respond to this coronavirus. This donation is going to help strengthen our basic healthcare system. And that is what is priority for us.
This is not the only reason why the governor is here. Mr. Obaseki proceeds to inspect the refurbished 8-bed isolation facility, polymerase chain reaction PCR machine, and a molecular biology diagnostics laboratory to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. The project is a joint venture of the state government and the health institution. The Chief Medical Director of UBTH, Darlington Obaseki, a member of the state's COVID-19 response team, believes that the state government is taking the right steps in fighting the dreaded disease. Governor Obaseki says the state is fortunate to have 3 federal government medical institutions and instrumental to the fight to curtail the spread of COVID-19. He adds that his administration would continue to mobilize resources to provide quality health care for the people.
The lab is ready for certification. We have experts from Ira Teaching Specialist Hospital. They work for the NCDC, who are here to certify the work that's been done. And I'm told that the lab is ready to receive samples. So we're hoping that hopefully from early next week, we may not have to transport all our samples to Ira like we used to. We'll be able to send samples here.
The tour is concluded at the state's central medical store, where Mr. Godwin Obaseki inspected the drugs and medical supplies at the facility.